my koutou, Kor XXX here. He is Josh.
Morato, Winton School, Kor Vincent here. He is Vincent. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raapa the 21st of June.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki.
This week's word is hua, which is te iro for friend.
What hua are you playing with at playtime?
Ka pai on to health and safety news.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Remember to stay off the muddy patches on the grass as the mud travels into the classrooms.
The ropes are out of bounds because they need some parts replaced. Please stay off them until you are told that they can be used again.
No birthdays today, Winton, but plenty more on the way.
Here's today's notices.
Please make sure you wait in your classrooms for the heat-up tray to be delivered to your class by the heat-up monitors.
You are not to go into the heat-up room or to stop the monitors on the way to delivering the heat-up trays. A reminder that the library is open today as well.
Miss Crow's music group to meet her in room 11 at the start of morning tea.
Today is Year 5 and 6 Inter-House Challenge. Please meet in the hall at 12:30 with your lunch. Good luck and make sure you are on time.
A reminder that tomorrow is bakery order day. Be sure to get your orders in the morning.
Here's a fun fact to finish on today in Winton. Do you know it is the shortest day? Watch out, it will get dark quick today. Magazine team have a meeting at lunch today.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news for the ka kite for see you tomorrow.
And hurry up and stay sharp, Winton School.